Hi friend, I'm Lina. Today's video is a little different. Sometimes we feel not okay, and that's normal. Let's learn how to speak English, even when we feel sad. Together, we'll listen, speak, and connect. This is gentle English for real feelings. Let's begin. Set the scene. It's Saturday evening. You are alone in your room. You feel tired and a little sad. You don't want to do anything. You take a deep breath and call your best friend. Main dialogue, talking about feelings. Hello? Hey, Lina, it's me. Hi, are you okay? You sound tired. I'm not great. I feel low today. I'm here. You can talk to me. What's on your mind? I don't know. I just feel heavy inside. That's okay. You don't need to explain everything. I feel like I should be doing better, but I'm not. It's okay to have bad days. You are doing your best. Thanks. I just needed someone to say that. You're not alone. I care about you. Expressing feelings, vocabulary, and practice. I feel tired inside. I don't want to talk, but I need to. I'm not okay today. I feel stuck. I need a quiet voice. Thank you for listening. I feel a little better now. Vocabulary plus emotional phrases. Heavy, feeling sad or full of emotion. Low, emotionally tired or sad. Talk it out. Speak about your feelings. Support, to care and be there for someone. Alone, without people near you, emotionally or physically. Stuck, feeling like you can't move or grow. Repeat after me. Self-kindness practice. To rest. I don't need to be perfect. I can ask for help. I am learning and healing. One small step is still progress. I speak slowly and I speak with care. Mini conversation. After the call. How do you feel now? A little lighter. Thanks for listening. Always. You're never alone. I'm glad I called you. Me too. Let's talk again soon. I'd like that. Bye for now. Bye. Take care. Gentle motivation. Some days feel heavy, Some days feel light. But every time you speak with love to yourself or to a friend, you are growing. You are learning English. You are learning kindness. And I am proud of you. Thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next video. With love, Lina.